Welcome to Aquascape TV. This time we will share to you our stunning 300 Litres Nature Aquarium Layout with Driftwood. In this video, we will share to you about step by step to make this beautiful planted tank layout. First, make a hardscape of rocks, wood or other decoration material of your taste. A nice hardscape creates room and perspective for both fish and plants. Then add about 1 cm of substrate below the gravel to give long-term nutrient storage for the growth of plants. The gravel is distributed with the slope upwards towards the rear wall of the aquarium. This way, you can achieve depth and perspective. The easiest way to plant in the aquarium is at a water level just a few centimeters from the bottom. An orange-red abundance of Rotala Macrandra frames the central roots along with vivid light green Cuba-Hemianthus. Then transparent straws of the higher Leo-Caries sp. make the layout look deep and full of perspective. Hydrochaetal and nymphoids are both fast-growing and they require regular trimming. The low, compact growth of Bokepal compact is a result of continuous cutting and replanting of top shoots. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Aquascape videos.